Hey kids, who's ready to go camping? Everything you need is right inside. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. This is the 2025 Chateau 21Z ESpec. This means all the essentials you need for a wonderful camping trip are inside. This is going to be one of the best priced Class C RVs you'll find in the market. It's everything you need for great trips. First of all, this is 24 feet, 1 inch in length. This is on the Ford E-Series chassis, nice 7.3 liter V8 under the hood. The Chevy chassis is optional. Outside, what are you gonna bring with you? Whatever you want, because look at the size of this bay. 51 cubic feet of storage, roto-cast bay, so you can take and throw all the dirty stuff in there, then just simply wipe it out, keep everything nice and clean. Steel bumper, 8,000-pound hitch. All your connections are on the other side. Your fresh water fill is right here. A couple of 110 plugs. You have a storage bay right here and an awning, so you can fit all your outdoor living gear in any of these bays. You put the awning out, you turn on the LED light, you're set up at the lake, you're set out at the campsite. That is relaxing, that is some good stuff. Inside, what we're gonna find are seat belts for 5 and sleeping for 4. And what I love, especially in a motorhome of this size, is, you know, you start the kids camping young, right? You wanna take them out there, you wanna get them experience while they're little. That's how I did it, that's how a lot of people did it. And look at this, now you can take and use the 2 child safety tethers, make sure everybody stays safe, and then you take and you unwind at your dream dinette. You have all the nice plastic fruit you can think of with you for a nutritious, plastified meal at the dream dinette. This makes into a bed, you turn the handle, you push it down, you move your cushions, comfortable sleeping for everyone. This is going to be our Aspen Gray interior. I think this is a great look with our Coastline Gray cabinetry. Tons of storage you're gonna get. Look at all the cabinets in here. Massive amount of storage in here. So think about all the stuff you can bring with you. And while we're over here, we'll talk about this campsite kitchen. I don't know what this is, but Tom and I were saying that cake looks delicious. And if you wanted to get crazy and make that, you can, because all the tools are here. You have a convection microwave, flip-up countertop extension, right? So you can use this to mix the batter, and you can wash the dishes in here, and then you can bake in your convection microwave. Maybe you want to fry something to go along. Fried food and cake, that is Southern living right there. 2-burner gas cooktop right here. A number of drawers down below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 massive drawers. You even have a little storage underneath the dinette. Up top, you have that 800-pound capacity over the cab bunk. So if you don't need it for sleeping, if it's just the 2 of you, you can also store a ton of stuff right there. You have a smart TV, so if you want to set up a hotspot and stream all your favorite shows, you can do that. If you'd like to pull in all of the local channels, catch the local weather report wherever you are at. WineGuard 360 digital TV antenna on top. And while we're talking about things on the roof, that is going to be your 13,500 BTU AC unit. You can see I have plenty of room. I stand in these shoes at 6'1", so you can see I have plenty of room to move about, plenty more room to store whatever you need inside this massive closet here. The ladder for the over cab bunk stores right in here. And this bathroom for a motorhome of this size, super roomy. Look at this, really spacious, printed shower surround. I have the skylight, the shower's on a wand, sink, nice size medicine cabinet, your toilet here, tankless hot water on board, full-size bed in the corner here. What I love about having that here is you can hop in just like anywhere you want to go. Just hop on in. No slides in that coach. This is what I love about this too. This is it. So setting up is really easy. This is all the essentials you need. Even when you are driving, you have, you ready? Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, whatever you need to go, wherever, you just wire in your phone and you pull up the map on the radio screen and you're off to your destination. But before you get to the campsite, the destination you need to go to build your own is thormotorcoach.com.